Hello guys, have you ever heard a dope beat and you were so pumped up and then you went to the studio, you want to make a similar beat after spending a lot of time in the studio? When it's time to compare, your beat is not even sounding close to what you've heard and you're so disappointed. Yeah, there is a reason why. And the reason is you're not using the right sample. If you use the right sample, your beat will certainly sound like what you've heard or listened to. As you know, Afrobeat is one of the leading music in the world today. And for you to make an Afrobeat, you need the right sample pack for you to make that kind of beat. And that's why I'm sharing with you a sample pack that will help you to make Afrobeat or Amapiano kind of song. This sample pack is full of loops, different kind of kicks and bongos, shakers and every other thing that you need for an Afrobeat, complete Afrobeat. So let me show you how I do mine. So as you can see, this is the sample pack and it's called KS4 Amapiano Sample Kit. Look at everything. If you go to the shakers, you can find out you have everything you need. So this is the beat I make using the same sample pack. So it's as simple as that. Go to the description down below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, download the sample pack, make your Afrobeat, and I'll see you on my next upload. Bye for now.